Okay, hello everybody. This is Big Bang Crypto. My name is Sam and welcome to another episode. Yeah, I know it's crazy. This is the second video in 2 days. So yeah, like I told you, I have much more time now and I will bring so much more. All right, now this one is really important because it is a proof for my theory that I showed you in yesterday's video. So what I said was that I think it is very likely to see Bitcoin moving all the way up to nearly $9,400 to $9,500 and then coming back down to $9,000 and then moving inside of this channel right here between the blue and the red line till the day we cross over this red line and move forward to the next wave. Now, in this video, I want to show you a proof for this theory and that I think we are very close to this movement. Now, if we take a look at the 25th of October, what we can see is this crazy pump that we had at that time. But what happened before this pump right here is really interesting. So what you can see is we're making lower lows right here, and at the same time on the RSI we're making higher lows. So we have this bullish divergence, a sign for us, hey, something is about to happen. Now, as you may know, there are some altcoins which tend to follow Bitcoin on the way up and on the way down, and Litecoin is one of those coins. Now, if we take a look at Litecoin, we can see that on the 25th of October, we had the same movement, this crazy pump. But before this movement, we were making lower lows and at the same time on the RSI, higher lows. So bullish divergence, and this is the result. If we take a look at Ethereum, what we can see, 25th of October, nice pump. At the same time, we were making lower lows right here, and on the RSI, we were making higher lows. So the same sign, similarities all over the place. And I want to show you another example with Dash, for example. Yeah. So what you can see, 25th of October, we had a nice pump. And before that, we were making lower lows and right here, higher lows on the RSI, bullish divergence. And Ethereum Classic, 25th of October, nice pump. Before that, making lower lows on the RSI, higher lows, bullish divergence. Now, what is going on after the 25th of October? Ethereum Classic is making higher lows right here on the RSI, lower lows. So this means we also have a bullish divergence right now. So a pump is possible. Now, if we go back to Dash, where it is. Oh man, I hate this, always searching. There it is. So yeah, after the 25th of October, what we can see is we're making lower lows right here. Oh no, it's not, it's before the 25th of October, but yeah, it doesn't matter. We're making lower lows, and at on the RSI we're making higher lows. So bullish divergence, something is possible, so a upwards movement. Now if we take a look at Ethereum right now, yeah, so we can see after the 25th of October we're making higher lows. On the RSI, lower lows, bullish divergence, something is about to happen. Litecoin is making lower lows right here on the RSI. Higher lows right here and lower lows right there. Bullish divergence, guys, something is possible. Now, what is Bitcoin doing, guys? Have we the same situation right there? And of course we have. What you can see is we are making lower lows right here and there higher lows. We have a bullish divergence, so an upwards movement is likely. So we nearly have, or no, let's say we exactly have the same situation before this pump right now with all the other coins as well. So to me, this means that something will happen, and I think it is a bullish movement. Now, of course, it is possible that we come down to this orange line that I showed you in my yesterday's video. So if I zoom out a little bit, what you can see is that since the beginning of this first wave, so reaching $14,000 approximately, no, sorry, this right here, yeah. So from here, as you can see, this orange line is playing a role, because every time we cross over to the downside, we really have a big drop, right? So here we have it, here we have it, here we have it, here we have it. So it is dangerous. Being below this orange line is really dangerous. Sorry. Is really dangerous, and at the moment we're above it. This is a good sign, because when we're above it, when we're able to make it above, we have nice pumps. All right, so like here. All right, so at the moment we're above it, and I think we will stay above it. Historically, it is likely to stay above it. I'm not talking about any wicks or so. I'm just saying the full bodies of these candles will stay above it. And so I think it is likely that we jump into this channel right here, stay there for the next days, and at some point we will see an upwards breakout. So this is my theory on Bitcoin right now. I think it is very likely to see a pump. It is possible to come down to this orange line, but I think as soon as we get close to this green fib circle, we will get support, and then we will come up all the way up, and at some point we will start to move horizontal, sideways, sorry, and as soon as we cross over, we will come back down to this blue line, and then yeah, have this ping pong game between these two lines. So this is my theory, guys, and I think it makes a lot of sense. So it really makes more sense than to see a drop right now. Now, something else I want to show you in this video is XRP. In the news, a lot of things are going on about XRP. They will bring out a new product, and it will moon. Now, if we take a look at XRP at the moment, we can see that there is also a bullish divergence. And so this could be a nice entry point, guys. Think about it if you're interested in making profit. If you're interested in XRP, I know there are some people who don't like XRP. That's okay. I'm just saying from a investment point of view, yeah, this could be a nice one. And something that is also funny is XRP on the 25th of October also had a nice pump, so it was following Bitcoin. So yeah, it is showing us the same signs right now. And at the end of this video, guys, I want to show you Silly. What is going on? This coin is going crazy, guys. It's unbelievable, making higher highs all the time, and at some point it will come back down and test some levels. But I mean, guys, this is the 23rd of October. I mean, look at that, 130%. I don't know where this will stop. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we can see that Silly is now yeah, inside of the top 100. This is unbelievable, and I think because of the news in China, Silly has a really, really big potential to reach the top 20. I think even the top 10 is possible, guys. All right, so watch out for Silly. At some point it will come back down and test previous resistance levels or whatever. So if it comes back down from this point right here, we could see 7 cents again. Is possible. Maybe it goes down to the 38% FIP level, so this would be at yeah, nearly 8 cents. So watch out for that. But yeah, it's going crazy, guys. It's going crazy. People are investing, and I think what's going on right now, this is the smart money, guys, because Silly is a coin that I don't know anyone talking about this coin, and yeah, it will come, and then maybe it's too late. So think about Silly, think about investing, but I'm not saying invest now. If we take a look at the RSI, yeah, guys, it's going crazy right here. If we go to the 1 hourly chart, oh, that's crazy. It's really crazy, this coin. I like it. I invested in Sele from the beginning. I talked about it 6 months ago when it was at 2 cents or so, and yeah, now it is at close to 10 cents. It's really, really amazing what's going on right here, and I don't know where it will stop. I don't see a bearish divergence or anything. This is unbelievable. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the content. Please leave a like, and thank you so much for writing some comments for yesterday's video, because I don't like it when it is so empty down there. Please leave a like when you watch this video, and yeah, you like what you're seeing and what I'm talking about. Write in the comments some things. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.